A tire changer. It must be provided with a WDK certificate. First, read the work instructions for your machine in detail, as some operation steps may differ from this video. You start with the disassembly. Remove the balance weights with a suitable tool. Now unscrew the valve element and release the air. Place the bead breaker shovel of the tire changer on the tire. Caution: place the bead breaker shovel only on the tire bead, not on the sidewall. Also pay attention to the valve and the wheel sensor. Always place the bead breaker shovel at a sufficient distance. Clamp the wheel onto the mounting machine and fix the disc wheel. Now attach the mounting head and pay attention to the position of the valve again. If you look at the tire like a watch, the mounting head is on top of 12 o'clock. The valve must be at 2 o'clock. Now attach the hold down tool. Before removing the tire, grease the tire bead and rim flange. This simplifies tire removal and prevents damage. Now place the assembly lever on the top and lift the tire bead on the mounting head over the rim. Take off the tire. Check the condition of the disc wheel and wheel sensor. Clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth. If it is damaged, be sure to replace it. Next, mount the tire. First, grease the raised bead of the new tire on the outside and inside. Also the inner and outer horn of the disc wheel. Do not grease the wheel sensor, it must not be greased. When placing the tire on the ground, make sure it is running in the correct direction using the mark on the tire sidewall. Attach the mounting head. The tire valve and the sensor must be set to 6 o'clock. Protect the rim flange with the mounting protection and then slowly turn the rim clockwise. Remove the mounting protection and then turn the valve back to 6 o'clock. Replace the mounting guard and slide it to the traction point. Ensure that there is sufficient clearance to the valve. Use the hold down tool again to press the tire bead into the drop center of the disc wheel. Now inflate the tire. To do this, attach the hose and inflate the tire without the valve element. Watch out for yourself and for objects when inflating the tire, as the tire bead jumps against the rim flange. The spring pressure must not exceed 3.3 bars. Turn the valve back in with the screwdriver and correct the tire pressure to the specified pressure. The tire mounting is finished. Now balance the wheel and tire assembly before you mount it on the vehicle again.